The Victory Garden, being guarded by Max the cat. Anyway, Max loves it out here. Max loves the fresh air and the sunshine. So do I. I love spending time in my backyard. I love listening to the birds. I love getting fresh air and sunshine and some exercise. I don't like the mosquitoes though. And I've noticed that mosquitoes are starting to come around a little bit more. I dug a little bit yesterday in the garden. It was a rainy day yesterday. I ended up staying up real late. And we were doing, we were hanging out, doing some talking, working on editing some videos and stuff like that, just hanging out, enjoying our evening. And before long, we realized that we had been up way too late. So we finally got in bed, and today we slept most of the day away. I mean, when I say most of the day, I think we were up, I think I was up by 1 p.m. So for me, it's been kind of a lazy day. I got to go to work tonight. So starting my back on my rotation, for my long days. So I'm going to get back to this. I honestly thought today was going to be another rainy day. That's why I decided to sleep in a little bit. But when you know it, look at that. Oh, I don't see no rain anywhere. But it's turned out to be a really nice day. Of course, Max always thinks I'm talking to him. Max is a male cat. Max was fixed a long time ago. So a lot of people would call Max a she. Sometimes we still get mixed up. I call her she or he or him or whatever. And then one day somebody's called him Shim. So Max's nickname is Shim, meaning she or him. But Max is a kitty cat that got fixed a long time ago, so we don't have to worry about Max as a male. But we don't have to worry about him going out and prowling. He's not into all that. He's just into hanging out in his backyard and chasing down birds and mice. Max is a good mouser. Ain't that right, Max? Max loves hanging out with me. I come out here and I do work in the garden, and I get my phone out and I make some videos, and while I'm talking, Max hangs out because Max thinks I'm talking to him. All right, so I guess this is a gardening video. Today's a lazy day, even though today would have been a perfect day for getting out in the garden. I just didn't feel like it. I ended up staying up late. It was a rainy day yesterday, and I thought it was going to be rainy today. And I slept late, so I didn't get much done in the gardens. Today is May 1st. So I'm already late on getting my garden in. All right. The Victory Garden. Next time I make a video on this, you're going to see some changes, some vast improvement. I think that'll be in a couple of days. Talk to you later.